Install ShortPoint with live mode on your SharePoint sites by following these 4 easy steps. First, download the latest ShortPoint with live mode SPFx package. Hit download once you are provided access to the latest ShortPoint release. Make sure to extract the contents of the zip file. Then upload ShortPoint to your SharePoint app catalog. Access your admin center and navigate to the SharePoint app catalog. Click Upload and select the ShortPoint SPFx package. Complete the step by enabling ShortPoint. You can now install ShortPoint on your site collection. Add ShortPoint to your site collection apps. Navigate to your site contents and select the option to install ShortPoint. On the ShortPoint dashboard, press Installation and Install. Now activate your ShortPoint license. Go to the ShortPoint dashboard, hit the licensing tile, and press Activate. That's it! Begin designing your intranet site pages using ShortPoint. Enjoy the most intuitive intranet design experience with ShortPoint Live Mode.